Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a popcorn bucket on Dress to Impress. So the VIP version is that you need to use the basket. Oh my gosh, where is everything? Oh, sorry. And then you can actually use the pattern. Is it even still here? Oh yeah, it's this one. And then you can just color the popcorn like yellow. Well, like the flowers in like a popcorn color, I guess. Something like this. But for the non-VIP version, you can actually just use the candy bucket here. And then I'm just going to place it here. And I'm going to color it red. Unfortunately, you cannot color it like red and white. But you can color the candy into like a popcorn theme instead, like so. And it will look something like this. I know it's different, but at least you have like another bucket for you to put your popcorn in. But that is it. That's how you can create these popcorn buckets on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.